So, roasted tomatoes with honey, garlic, salt and oregano, and a little pinch of chili. Baked in the oven. Super simple. Just set those tomato halves in some kind of bake tray. And what we will do for these tomatoes, first we put a little bit of olive oil on top of every half. Like that. Then we put some honey in there. Of course, it would be a little bit easier if this honey would be more running. So you can use a bit more running honey if you have some. I don't have more running honey, so I'm using this, and I think we are there. I like to use lots of honey in these. You don't have to use this much if you don't want. Then we grate some garlic. Actually, we do it like this. First, here on the plate. So it's easier then for us to take a sip of it on each and every one of them. And a little bit more. I like good flavors, lots of flavors in these roasted tomatoes. So, pinch of garlic on top of every tomato, like this. There is lots of garlic, I know it. Let's put that over there, like that. Then some dried seasoning. We have oregano, lots of it also. And a little salt on top of every one. And some chili to give a little hotness and edge to these. These are perfect side dish for chicken, beef, pork. I usually do these when grilling season is on. You can do this also in grill, but also in oven. And that's about it. We have a pretty beautiful and soon tasty roasted tomatoes, and now we will put it on the oven, and actually not on the oven, but in the oven. We will put it in the oven so they are nice and soft, and then we will eat them. So let's see what it becomes. So our roasted tomatoes are ready, and they look quite delicious. And of course now we have to taste it. Let's take that one. And here it is. Nice crispy garlic on top. And we can juice it up. And the juice comes from the tray bake where we just made these tomatoes. There's nice sauce, or what it is, on the bottom of it. So it's kinda smooth. And it's absolutely delicious. At least it should be. Let's taste it. These tomatoes are pretty hot, so don't burn your mouth. That chili hotness is quite nice in this. Not too hot, but it gives some edge to this. And that honey garlic combo, it's just amazing. Yeah, and as I said, there's some juice on bottom. You can use this to juice these tomatoes up. This is hot. And that's about it. It's freaking delicious. Try it. Try it.